In front of me is Motorola Moto G57 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening Settings and tapping on Apps right away. Then scroll to click on App Lock and pick one of those login methods: pattern, PIN or password. Then create your login method you will only use to unlock your apps. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit clear at the bottom left corner and input it correctly. When you're sure of your app lock login method, hit next and repeat it to confirm it. Then click on Confirm. Now to log any app, use gray switcher right next to it. So when I go back to open it, I can see that app lock is required. To disable app lock from any app, go into the same section in Settings, click on Locked Apps, and use blue switcher. When it's gray, that means that your app is no longer locked. If you want to manage app lock some more, click on this gear next to Unlock Method and check out all of those options. You can also disable it completely by tapping on Reset App Lock, confirming your choice in the pop-up, and going back. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!